Live update ng sisi ko. Ito, hindi na tayo mga busy mga sisi ko. Nakapag-vlogs na ulit ako. Pupunta nga pala kami ngayon ng Sardica para mag-renew ng transportation card for 1 month. Ayan. After nyan, of course, punta naman kami ng Kaufland. You can see, ang ganda ng panahon ngayon mga sisi ko. Magandang maglakad-lakad. May ambulansya pa. Tirik ang sikat ng araw ngayon. Pero syempre, malamig pa rin. Left and right, mahal ko.
Right, mahal ko.
Yes, mahal ko. What do you want?
I don't know.
Yeah. I am. Siko. Nakababa na kami ng metro. Pupunta kami ng metro station. Okay, let's go.
I'm not sure.
Hinahanap namin kung saan yung renewal ng card. Kasi nalilito yung asawa ko. Hindi pa rin niya kabisado yung kanyang lugar.
I think it's to line 2 somewhere.
Line 2?
Yes.
We're just going to line 2. Alright, let's find it. Before naliligaw ako dito, pero after 6 months, kaya ko nang magbiyahe mag-isa. Pero naliligaw pa rin. Pero at least, nakaka-uwi. Ayan na. Buti na lang talaga may escalator kasi ang taas ng aakyatin mo kapag hagdan eh. Matataas yung mga escalator dito eh. Rush na sila kasi may iwan sila ng metro. Masyadong matangkad asawa ko. Akit ako ng isang hakbang. Mag-transfer tayo dito.
Huh?
Transfer.
Transfer?
Line 2.
I think it's somewhere there. We'll find out. No, it's not here.
Maybe we just need to go straight.
Wait, it's this one?
I think this one is not. Because I remember I asked the cashier.
Ah, no, it's not this one.
And she said it's no here.
I think it's the other, on the other direction.
We just need to get on the metro?
I'm not sure.
Or need to walk straight?
I'll show you.
Dobre.
I don't remember exactly my.
It's okay. Just use your Google Map.
No, I don't know where it is. I know it's somewhere in the.
Si National Palace of Culture kami mga sisi ko. Ito yung style ng metro dito. At least may upuan.
If it's not there, it's there. It's
on the other side. It's okay.
It's either here or there.
We just need to go back there.
Yeah. But I think it's here.
We'll see, mahal ko. Let's continue walking. Vetusha. Ang tahimik dito mga sisi ko at saka ang ganda ng ambience ng metro dito.
think it's here, man.
Yeah.
Because it's the tram stop here. The tram stop and it's over
But
there.
you just need to go out.
No,
Or I'm just
I'll
only
show you.
one.
I'll show you.
Dobre.
I will not go out, but I'll show you. It's 50 meters from here.
Okay, I'm gonna renew my card alone.
Yeah, because you need to pay another 160, right?
Yeah, it's okay.
So,
No worries.
For 50 seconds, right? So, you just go out, go right, and
Dobre.
then straight forward, and the end of the tunnel, it's around, it's right. You don't go out of the tunnel, it's after 50 meters.
Okay. Iwan ko lang siya. Ito pala yung exit. Hanapin ko yung renewal ng card. Madilim dito. Ito yata yun. Da? Благодаря. So yun na nga mga sisi ko. Na-renew ko na for 1 month. Pabalik kami ng metro station kasi pupunta naman kami ngayon ng Kaufland. Nag-grocery kami ng asawa. Every Saturday or Sunday, nag-grocery kami for 1 week. Nawa kong kausapin ng Bulgarian. Then sabi ko sa kanya, sige magsalita siya, maintindihan ko naman. Kaso hindi ako makapagsalita ng Bulgarian katulad niya. Okay, Marco, just speak Bulgarian. If as long as possible, if I can answer you Bulgarian, that's good for us.
Ако не ме разбираш, ти е трудно.
Ang sabi niya, hindi ko daw maintindihan kasi mahirap. Antay kami ng metro. 1 minute. Edna minuti.
Minuta.
Edna minuta. Antay na.
Mura.
Ayan ang mga sisi ko. At Fergus, dami ngayon ng tao. Kanina wala.
It's only for 3 or 4 stops.
Dobre. Do you want to sit down?
No.
It's not needed.
One eternity later.
Dito na nga kami mga sisi ko.
What do you see? I'm looking.
Alright, I'm gonna wait you. Mag-CR lang daw siya. So, mauna na sa kanya.
How hard they are, see?
Yeah.
You know, they're not ripe.
Yeah.
For sure it will not be good.
Maybe this one. The small one. Okay, let's go. Bumili ako ng orange, naka-sale sila. Nasa 1.69 level lang. Alright.
I'm not sure.
Ang mahal ng chocolate, oh. Bagong stock yung mga cake. Ganito yung mga cake dito, mga sisi ko.